Hey Warriors, I'm Jasuel, and I'm here to guide you on how to register for your classes. Let's get started, shall we? Registering for classes begins with Warrior Web. Click the Sign In button in the top right corner to log into Warrior Web using your student's credentials. Once you're logged in, search Register. You can favorite this by clicking the heart so it's easier to find in the future. When you click Register, you will be prompted to select a term for registration and approve the Financial Responsibilities Agreement, which also includes how would you like your 1098-T delivered for tax purposes in the spring. Click Submit and you will be redirected to Schedule Planner, where you may need to select a term for registration if multiple terms are available for registration at the time. Please be aware that any limitations on the locations may reduce the classes available. Click Save and Continue. Next, click the classes you would like to see based on their statuses. If you select Open and Full, classes that have no seating capacity may appear. Click Save and Continue to open the home page of Schedule Planner. To find courses, click the Add Course button. If you have an SEP on file from your academic advisor, click the Degree Works tab to load courses recommended by your advisor for the given term. If you do not have an SCP on file, search for your courses using the subject and course drop-down boxes. Once you identify a course, click Add Course. When you've added all the courses you wish to take, click the Go Back to Generate Schedule button. You may wish to add breaks at this time. If you have any active breaks, Schedule Planner will include the breaks as requirements for your schedule. If you have any courses that conflicts with the breaks, a schedule will not be generated. Once your courses and breaks are added, click the Generate Schedule button under the Schedules heading. If more than one schedule is generated, you can hover over the magnifying glass to view the schedules or click the check boxes to compare the schedules side by side. When you have decided the schedule you want, click the View to view your potential schedule. Once you have reviewed the schedule and see that seats are available, click Send to Shopping Cart. Once the courses are in the shopping cart, click Register button to register for the classes. Once registered, you'll receive a confirmation message. If you have any issues with registration, please reach out to Records and Admissions at records@tamuct.edu. For additional help in Schedule Planner, you can click the Help button at the top of the page to view more videos. And that's it. Good luck registering for your classes, and go Warriors!